Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pilfister. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So in today's episode we will explain how to open Xbox Series X. It's not for everyone, but for those who would like to learn step by step, will be a short video. I do believe that picture is worth 1,000 words. So let's go here. As we can see, I've marked with a red dot on this side and here as well. You can't see the red, but you can imagine that was the red marker. Now you see it's just Torx screw. It's not a security screw, so it's fine. And then once you've got those two screws undone in Series X, then you can pry it, as you see here with my prying tool or anything. If you don't have any prying tool, you can use one of those things as close as possible to the edge or something really thin here on this side and lift it up. You will be able to pry it for sure. It's not a problem, but start off this side, not from the top side. Yes. Then you see, then there is a small thingy here which you need to detach. You just insert something and use the leverage by pressing towards this side. Yes, so this in that side. Then you will lift up this small bit here. Once it's lifted, you can turn this circular stand. I don't remember clockwise or no, from left to the right. Okay, because you will see on the next picture, you see this one went from this to here, and this one was needing lifting into our direction, as the HDMI port was damaged here. Now you've got 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and this connector. Yes, just a small wiggle and this will go off. If it's really old, really like long time, many years, then you would need something to pry from the left and right side to not just pull it, because if it's quite new, it's still okay to pull them out. If they are older, they need some help. Yes, then you've got a 1, 2, 3, and this screw goes off as well. Then the next stuff, okay, so then you've got this screw here, which is from the disk drive. Yes, so that's the one from the disk drive. Now you can pull this fan here, you see the plug out. Now this you lift. Now just be really gentle when you lift in to the top. There are 2 connectors. This one is push in and this one is pull up. If you won't be gentle, it will become really loose and you will struggle to hold it later. Yes, and this you need to press to then take it out. It's like here, pressing. Sorry, the picture is not vivid because, you see that's how I've done it without the magnification. So you just press in this place, and when you press it, you are able to pull this wire out. That's the fan connector, yes, as written below. And then you see this, you can pry from this side. That's for the disk, where we unscrew the screw, which I told you for the disk. And then you can disconnect connector for the SATA power and SATA and power for the disk drive. Now you can pull out this disk drive out. Yes, and now it's ready. Now it's ready to pull from it. Just remember, mind this wire here and this wire here, just mind them, and don't pull it, just take it slightly to the left so it will unlock in this place, and then you can pull it. Okay, so now you've got rubber across and you need to detach it. There's only one way to put it, so if you will put it the wrong way, see how you can clean your Xbox if you can't have an access to it. You can't. Yes, so yeah, bravo Microsoft, that's the bad move, because you need to overheat this sooner or later. Yes, unless you've got pristine conditions at home. And then you've got 3 screws here, and then you've got a bunch of screws. These are the long screws, these are the short screws, and then when you unscrew this one, there is 1 screw underneath, and then you see that's what it is. This is slightly longer screw. It's not as long as these ones are, but it's not as short as this one is. Okay, then you go across here, everything. Those 2 are longer, those 3 are longer ones, but this 2 are longer ones, but this one is really long, going to the end like this as well, like this one. probably. Don't remember from top of my head all of them. Yeah, now you lift to the top, unhook it, and then you can lift this metal enclosure, yes, out, and then you open this plastic thingy as well to the top. It requires quite pressure. Yeah, this wire then you pull from both sides simultaneously, so when you pull it inside, I mean push it inside from this and this to the right, then you are able to lift this wire up, and then you can split the two. Yes, now you need to take out this one and remove this, the same procedure for this. So now once this one is off, how to do it? You can use either some plastic to pry it or use some metal. But whatever you do, don't pry against those coils too much, because if you go in, you might be ending up in the trouble that one of them can break, or in the very best case scenario, it will just hold on a second, I count. Oh, now you can see fully. At one time I've damaged this one and I didn't know I've damaged it, only when I soldered everything. It was like months back, or over a year back. I don't remember. That was one of the first one I've done. First ones. I don't remember exactly which one. And then I had to solder it back. Fortunately, I only was you know, in need of soldering, and I didn't damage anything. Yes. So then you unfasten those 4 screws, as you've seen here. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. Use 1 screwdriver for all of them. Then when it's like that, yes, you've got it. You've got it separated, and you've got a HDMI port if you want to replace HDMI port. That's how you disassemble Xbox, yes, and that's the second part. So guys, you see, we've explained in less than 10 minutes how to disassemble Xbox Series X. Hopefully the video is really useful for you. I was trying to explain in detail each step, and that's it. If possible, leave me a like button. I will try to record more of those videos, straight to the point, photo by photo, and explain how you should do it, how you should react to certain things, yes? But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. In the next one, if possible, let's fix them all. Take care. Bye.